Why every country seems to have a military base in Djibouti. Have you ever heard of Djibouti? It's a small African country of just 1 million people, yet it has between 8 and 11 foreign military bases. Some of them are absolutely unique. Japan, for example, only has one foreign base. It's in Djibouti. France has plenty of overseas military bases, but its largest base is in Djibouti. The U.S. base in Djibouti is Camp Lemonnier. It's the primary American base for operations in the Horn of Africa. Believe it or not, China has a naval base in Djibouti. German and Italian forces also maintain a presence in Djibouti. Spain, the UK, and Saudi Arabia build bases right next to each other. Russia and India have also expressed interest. But what makes this obscure republic so attractive? The primary reason is its strategic location. Djibouti sits at the mouth of the Red Sea.